Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to connect HubSpot with Facebook Messenger so you can manage conversations, respond faster, and improve customer engagement directly from one platform. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Facebook Messenger. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot and proceed to click onto the App Marketplace, which is this store icon right here. Click on it and click on HubSpot Marketplace. Once you have done that, you can see right here your marketplace. So click on the search bar and proceed to search right here for Facebook Messenger. Let me search right here for it. Now you can see it right here, so click on this. After you have clicked on that, it will show you this option. Click on this Install. From in there, this will direct you to choose which account you would like to connect with Facebook. So for this case, I'll choose this one. Click on Facebook Messenger. Click on Continue with Facebook, and after that, log in to your Facebook account. I won't be able to show it here because that involves sensitive information, but you should be able to log in to yours. So that's all there is today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who use HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.